If you grew up in Africa, then you already know the smell. Golden, crispy on the outside, and soft in the inside. Today, I'm making African-style drop donuts, just like we used to do back home. They are made with simple ingredients I'll be listing in the description box below, and are mixed fresh and fried immediately for that perfect bite. This is comfort, this is culture, and this is Rabia Unfolded. Let's get into it. I'm starting with my sugar and melted butter. I mix everything together until it's smooth and well combined. Next, I add my eggs one at a time. Mixing well after each addition. You want the mixture smooth, rich, and nicely blended. I set my wet mixture aside, and in a separate bowl, I sieve in my flour. I personally like to sieve because I believe it helps add air into the dough and gives a lighter texture. Once that's done, I go ahead and sieve in my baking powder and nutmeg. This is also the perfect time to add your salt, especially if you're not using salted butter. Then I open my sachet of vanilla sugar, add it into the flour, and give everything a really good mix. After that, I set it aside and move on to the next step. Now I start combining everything. I add half of the sieved dry ingredients into the wet mixture and mix everything well. Make sure not to overmix here. Then, I add some of my milk and mix again until smooth. Add the next half of the flour and give everything a good mix. Once combined, add the milk again and mix everything. With the last portion of the milk left, I go in with my lemon and zest it directly into the batter. I add the remaining milk and mix everything until I get the perfect consistency. Not too thick, not too light, just right. While I was mixing the batter, I already had my canola oil heating up. Once the batter is ready, I start frying immediately. I carefully drop the batter into the hot oil with my hands. There's something about frying these donuts with your hands that just make you feel like everything's going perfectly. Scoop the batter out with your hands and carefully drop them into your hot oil slowly. And give everything a good mix until it's golden brown. I always make sure I stir constantly because I don't want one side to get brown while the other side is still white. So just keep stirring to get that even golden brown color. Once golden, I remove the chopped donuts and drain them on a paper towel. You can serve them warm or cold. They're delicious either way. They even taste better the next day according to my opinion though. So don't come for me on that, okay? And there you have it, beautiful souls. Our African-style drop donuts are simple, comforting, and full of flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to Rabia Unfolded for more recipes like this. And don't forget to check out my playlist on Christmas recipes and treats. I can guarantee you will love it. Share this video with someone who loves African snacks, because you never know who needs a little taste of home. And remember, beautiful souls, good food doesn't have to be complicated. Trust your process, cook with intention, and keep unfolding your story. Until next time, this is Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.